Cargo pants, cargo pants, cargo pants. He wore cargo pants with a black t-shirt. Dress pants, trousers. Dress pants, trousers. Dress pants, trousers. He paired his dress pants with a white shirt and tie. Fleece jacket, fleece jacket, fleece jacket. She wore a warm fleece jacket for the hike. Hoodie, hoodie, hoodie. He put on a gray hoodie before heading out. Jackets, jackets, jackets. She has a collection of stylish jackets for every season. Jeans, jeans, jeans. He wore ripped jeans with a leather jacket. Overcoat, overcoat, overcoat. He put on a wool overcoat to stay warm in winter. Poncho, poncho, poncho. She wore a poncho to stay dry in the rain. Pullover, pullover, pullover. He wore a warm pullover on a cold day. Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. She changed into soft pajamas before bed. Raincoat, raincoat, raincoat. He wore a yellow raincoat to stay dry. Shirt, shirt, shirt. He tucked his shirt into his dress pants. Shorts, shorts, shorts. He wore denim shorts to the beach. Singlet, singlet, Singlet. He wore a singlet under his shirt. Smart clothes, smart clothes, smart clothes. He always wears smart clothes to work. Sweater, sweater, sweater. She wore a thick sweater in winter. Sweatpants, sweatpants, sweatpants. He wore sweatpants and sneakers for jogging. Sweatshirt, sweatshirt, sweatshirt. She wore a gray sweatshirt to stay warm. Tank top, tank top, tank top. He wore a tank top to the gym. Trench coat, trench coat, trench coat. He looked stylish in a beige trench coat. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. He bought a black t-shirt with a cool print. Uniform, uniform, uniform. The students wore a blue and white uniform. Bikini, bikini, bikini. She wore a red bikini at the beach. Bike shorts, bike shorts, bike shorts. She paired her bike shorts with an oversized t-shirt. Cami tank, cami tank, cami tank. She wore a white cami tank with jeans. Gym clothes, gym clothes, gym clothes. He packed his gym clothes before heading to the fitness center. Jogging suit, jogging suit, jogging suit. She wore a jogging suit and running shoes. One-piece bathing suit. One-piece bathing suit. One-piece bathing suit. She felt comfortable in her one-piece bathing suit. Speedos, Speedos, Speedos. He wore blue Speedos at the swimming competition. Sports bra, sports bra, sports bra. She wore a sports bra for extra support during her workout. Swimming trunks, swimming trunks, swimming trunks. He bought a pair of red swimming trunks for the summer. Swimsuit, swimsuit, swimsuit. She packed her swimsuit for the vacation. Tracksuit, tracksuit, tracksuit. He wore a tracksuit to warm up before the match. Training jacket, training jacket, training jacket. He put on his training jacket before heading outside.